So there's a piece of information. Since many of you could not see the chat feature, so we will have breaks in between. So whatever doubt you have, you can unmute yourself right there and you can ask us. So hello everyone. So welcome to this workshop. So today in this workshop, we will be starting right from the basics of the hackathon to post-hackathon tips. So this workshop is basically organized in order to in order to share our experiences with all of you. If you are a beginner, you should know how to take part in a hackathon, what happens, and how can you what you can do and what you will get. So after participating over 20 plus international and national hackathons and winning around 15 plus hackathons, yeah, we will now present you our experiences and tips. So stay with us till the end and we assure you you will learn new things with us. So starting off, let's begin. So
Hello everyone, I am Sushree. I'm a pre-final year student from CSE department at NIT Raulkela. I'm the founder of C Coders, the women coding community of NIT Raulkela, and a Microsoft Learn student ambassador. So let's continue. Divya, continue please.
yep, Sushil. So hey everyone, I am Divyanshika. I'm a third year student from Department of Mathematics. I love to take part in hackathons, collect swag specially, and win prizes too. I believe in code to strengthen community, collaborate, and contribute to open source. So we'll start our workshop right from here. So we'll start with what is a hackathon? The Wikipedia definition, it is said that a hackathon is a design sprint-like event, often in which computer programmers and other involved in software development like graphic designers, project experts, domain experts, and others collaborate intensively on software projects. Couldn't get it? Don't worry. We have we have explained it in simple words. So we say hackathon is an any event. So it is maybe technical or not technical, where people work together to devise a solution for a problem within a particular time frame. So since we know what is a hackathon, let's check out what happens at a hackathon. Why should you take part? So first of all, networking. You'll meet a lot of like-minded people over there who are enthusiastic to learn more about technology like you people. So I can say hackathons are a great place to network. It is a very nice opportunity for us to meet new people and make friends. And next thing, why you should participate are workshops. If you are a beginner and you have interest in technology and you want to get started, participating, there are introductory workshops organized by the organizers of the hackathon. The workshops are conducted mainly by industry experts, community leaders, or the sponsor leaders. These workshops, I can assure you, these will be right from the basics to intermediate level. They will not take it to the advanced. So if you if you want to learn more tech stacks and you don't have that thing to get where to start, then I assure workshops at hackathon is a great place to start. Then not only workshops and networking, you have also various fun activities for fun. So and if you participate in these things, you might also win swags or gift cards. There are fun activities such as drawing competitions. uh, in most of the hackathons, I have seen GitHub Education sponsor this fun activity, where if you submit an AutoCAD drawing and your drawing is the winner, you get a AutoCAD plushie, a AutoCAD statue, and stickers free, shipped to your home free of cost. So there are lot many activities like this you can attend at a hackathon and win cool swags or even gift cards. I have won a gift card at Tech Together. After also hackathons, they will give you surveys to take part, and there's a raffle. If you fill the form and your name comes up in the raffle, so you will also win Amazon gift cards. And what else? And of course, coding. So lastly, you have a particular time frame. Like it can vary from 24 hours till some. It may be hours. It may be months. In certain hackathons, which are just small hackathons where just the idea is taken care of. So there it varies among hours. And if hackathon is organized by a company for hiring opportunities or internship opportunity, it may last for months. So the time frame, we cannot say that it only varies till hours or till months. So, but yeah, you will have a particular time frame within which you have to prepare your project. So you have to particularly brainstorm various ideas among your teammates. If you're working alone, you will go through various ideas and you have to execute your ideas into code. So next thing, before starting, means if you're a beginner, you always get this question: should I learn coding to get started with hackathons? Or if you're a non-CS student, you will also get a question that should I participate in hackathon? What is its benefit? Or what can I do over there to compete with people who have already started coding? Don't worry, I have got answers for you. So what roles you can play as a beginner? I have seen hackathon is not meant for means not only are not only meant for beginner means programmers or coders, but there are various roles like this, which I will be explaining each one by one. So first of all, designer. If you're interested in making graphics and have hands-on experience with Adobe Illustrator, Canva, Figma, anything else designing tools, I assure you, you can play a key role for UX designing in your team. You can give a shape, you can give a design to your project, how it will look, and what else it can do. Next come empathizer. Given a theme, you must have means see like in a hackathon. Suppose the theme is education. We being students, I can see that certain softwares. I have used certain apps. I have used certain website, and I am facing certain problems, and I want certain solutions to those of my problem. So an empathizer plays that role. So if you have experienced the problem that is the focus of your hack, then you can help your team build a cool hack, because you will suggest ideas, what all problems you have faced, and what solutions can be done. So empathizer also plays a great role. And then comes the brainstormer, or I can say researcher, because before you start with your project, you have to search for ideas, you have to think out of the box, so that you can build a cool project and it might win also. So a brainstormer also plays a great role in a hackathon and in your team too. Next comes the public speaker. Uh, if you're good presenting in front of an audience, then it's your time to shine. Because after building a project, you have to present it before the judges. Since we all have participated in online hackathons, so mostly we have to present a video. And for the video thing, the content needs to be very precise and the video length has to be short. So um, In our team, we have Sushree, who always make to the point videos so that judges get what we have done, what problems it solves, and how unique is our hack. So public speaker who can present your ideas good are a major play a major role in your team. So if you are a public speaker, you are definitely a you play a key role for your team. And of course, we all know a coding wizard who loves to code, and you know you have the role to play out. So these roles are played by the means what if you haven't started coding and you are interested to take part in hackathons, these all are the roles you can start with. And and next thing comes, if you are participating in hackathons and showing interest, you can attend workshops too. You will also learn there many things. So this was it. Now I'll hand over to Sushree. She will show you how to pitch your projects and certain post hackathon tips. Sushree, over to you.
Thanks, Divya. Is my screen shared?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let's start. Hackathon judges and what do they expect? The evaluation criteria vary from one hackathon to another, but there are some common patterns. The first point is ideas originality, hard things that haven't been done before. And second point is visual aspect of the project, like UI UX are well crafted and beautiful interfaces that will help your team better explain the idea. The third point is solid technical solution. Technical complexity, how much learning the team did during the weekend. And the fourth point is, are the judges at hackathons focused on a specific theme? If there are themes involved, you need to make sure to tie your app into one of the themes. As you can see, it is hard to know the judging criteria. Therefore, invest your time building a project that you feel proud of. It's great to align your vision with the hackathon topic and context, but do not overthink while creating the project you think judges want. Play freely and create something you are passionate about. If you have any questions till now, you can unmute your mic and speak. I guess no one has any questions. Let's move forward. The perfect pitching structure. Focus first on demoing your project. You need to keep it realistic. Keep slides to a minimum. If you are using slides, use them to tell a story, add some humor, introduce person who will use your app, or describe the architecture from a high level. Do not let a lousy pitch ruin your chances of winning your next hackathon. And always remember, the most essential part of any hackathon is the 2 to 3 minutes of you and your team's pitch. Here is an excellent structure to make your pitch. The first is introduction. Present it within 15 seconds and start the video with a brief introduction to your project. Team's name, project name, but do not introduce each member. You will eat a lot of time. The second is problem set statement. Present it in next 15 seconds and tell what problem did you identify for solving and how big is the problem. The third point is impact. Take the next 15 seconds to present impact and tell how could solving the problem add to the market or the business. Since hackathons are carried out by major companies, they expect that you are building a product for them. So keep that in mind and note down the impacts. The fourth point is product. Take a minute and present few points like what was the inspiration for the idea, what is the app, who are your target users, what are the core features, what makes your app different from others, what would you have focused on if you had more time, and what is the business value of the application. And what is the plan for the idea post hackathon? The fifth part and the most important part of the pitching project is demo. Take 1 minute and demo your project. Show the core features of the app. Actually, demo your code. The judges need to see the working project in addition to hearing what you did. And the last part is wrap up. Take 15 seconds and wrap up all the pitching process. Be sure to mention what you used to build the core features. Highlight all the technology you have used in the app, especially the sponsored technology. So I'm moving forward to project demo tips. Here are some tips you should note down so that you could give a perfect demo in your next hackathon. Know the rules. Every hackathon has different rules that will impact how you should structure your pitch. The demo video must be 3 minutes or less in length. That is approximately 400 words and 27 sentences. Make every second count. Always write a script on what you want to say and so, and practice it over and over again. In a hackathon, you start making a concept of your product and then code it. Do the same with the pitch. Get the storyline straight first and then build it. Bring the audience straight into the story. What is the problem you are solving? How big is the problem? What does it cause? Mention all the points in the storyline. The next question comes into our mind is how much details, like how much details we have to show to the judges so that our project wins the hackathon. So I have seen many technical pitches which got utterly lost in the details of the technology. Do not disappear in the details. Keep to the headlines and ensure that you have time to cover all the topics, not the specific product.
Sorry, folks. I think there is certain technical problem, so she has been disconnected. We'll get back to you soon. Until then, if you have any doubt, I'm here. I can answer you if whatever you want to ask. Hello.
Yeah, more than a doubt, I had like a specific request that is it possible to like see one of the like the
Yeah,
pitching
I'm so
videos
sorry.
you guys made? Like,
Okay, Cyrus. Like you want us to show any of our project that we have submitted to hackathon.
not the project, but the pitching video.
Okay,
Okay,
picture.
I
So
will
that
share the video.
Yeah.
Divyashika, I had an internet issue because my power got off.
I know I kept the session continue. Sorry,
Yeah.
folks. We are really sorry.
Yeah. So, shall I discuss all the points and then show you the pitching video?
Yes, yes, that would be good.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Is my screen shared?
Yeah, Sushree, you can continue.
Yeah. Thank you. So, yeah, I was continuing with make sure it provides a clear sound. You do not need everyone to present on the video. Select one person from the team to deliver the presentation. Have a planned time to make your demo video and do not wait till the last moment of the hackathon. Give yourself and your team time to make a nice video. If you want to do any editing on it, make sure you have enough time for that as well. Landscape videos typically look better when viewed, so record in landscape mode with your phone held horizontally. The video's focus should be on pitching your project and not about making of your project. Review the video. Editing is optional. Unless it is one of the event's requirement, editing the video is not required. But you should review the tape to ensure it says all the points you want others to know about your project and highlights what makes it unique. Now you just need to upload the video, get the link, and send it to someone else to verify if it fits the end or not. So you are looking for a video, right? Is my YouTube screen visible?
Sedlock's hat, a cool
Divyanshi?
No, Didi, it is not visible.
Now? Can anyone tell if it is visible or not?
Yeah, Sushree.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you.
Some screens too visible, but the audio quality is not that much good.
Okay, let me play the video, then I will see if it is not good and I will share the link.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sedlock's hat, a cool detective inspector gadget hat. This website contains each and every information about our hardware project in details. You are a detective and you fell into an emergency situation. You press the button on your hat and emergency alert goes to your friend with your GPS location. On. You want to track someone, so you put your hat into their automobile and then track their location, audio, video and more. Seems cool, right? Therefore we bring you Sedlock's hat. Let's look into the parts used. There is onboard GPS for gathering real-time location of the hat. Arduino Nano interfaces with the buttons and decodes the GPS data and sends latitude, longitude and time to Raspberry Pi, which controls everything and also responsible for recording audio and capturing video through the webcam and saving it into onboard SD card. Let's talk about distress mode. There is a switch on the hat. By turning it on and off sequentially, one can send an emergency distress message to some known people or appropriate authority. The message contains a mapping to the location of the hat, and this action can be accompanied by recording of video. Let's look into track mode. By leaving the same switch on, after 7 seconds the hat gets into track mode, where it continues to track its location every 3 seconds. Similar to the previous mode, hat can be made to record automatically and save it on onboard SD card or broadcast video to the remote observer. We could have made the gadget more compact, but due to shortage of time and supplies, we weren't able to do that. Thank you.
Was video visible?
Mental disorders affect 1 in 4 people.
Hello guys, was the video visible or should I send the link?
Yes, it was visible.
Actually, the voice quality is not clear.
Okay, I'm sending the playlist link. These are all our projects. There are 23 videos. You can work it out to how to finish your project.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. So I have a doubt, like, will this recording be shared?
Yeah, this video will be there in the YouTube.
Okay, it will be uploaded on YouTube.
Yeah.
Sorry, I think that your voice is not clear.
Yeah, because I am having a power cut, so the network quality is very bad.
All right. Thank you.
I have shared the playlist link. You can watch the videos there.
Actually, we can't access the chat box.
Okay, I got that live on the chat box, but I know that it's inaccessible.
After this session, since all of your email IDs are with us, we will share all the resources starting from the presentation to our hackathon videos and all things. We will send you an email right from our SheCoders mail, Gmail. So you all will get all the resources after this session. Is it okay?
Yeah, that will be fine.
Thank you. So she can continue.
Yeah. It's not letting me to present. So shall I proceed and the screen is like that, do not mind. So let's discuss about post-hackathon tips. You have participated in a hackathon and now you are not sure what to do next. So I am giving some post-hackathon tips which will help you in future. So you have worked tirelessly through the days and nights, built something extraordinary and presented it to a panel of judges. It could also be that you gave it your best, try but didn't make it up to the expectation. Either way, you left the hackathon with maybe a prize or two, a few new technical knowledge, new friends and swags. But what's next? You could choose to continue working on the project, complete it if necessary, or add that cool features you didn't have time to implement in the hackathon. On the other hand, you could forget about it, remembering it for fun and learning. Then comes the wrap-up session. The wrap-up session with your teammates to report what they accomplished or what they have learned. If you won, then have a party, maybe virtual, and enjoy. If you have lost, talk to each other what could have been better. Before that, thanks the mentors and organizers from whom you have taken help or guidance. If there was any feedback form or address form, fill it. If you got any credits, redeem them And if there is a post event after that, then attend the post event. After all the event ends, teammates should come together to talk about the event success and hear each other out. Use feedbacks and new ideas. Maybe the judges have great suggestions you hadn't thought about. What worked well? What could have been better? What does everyone see the idea heading? What are the other things everyone wished were implemented during the hackathon? And what are the new ideas that came into your mind since the event? Write down everything that went right so that you can repeat it next time, and write down everything that went wrong so that you can avoid it from the next time. Write a note in your diary about the event, and then comes a readme file. If you are putting your project into GitHub, then make sure that you are putting also a readme file. If you do not know about readme or how to write a readme file, I will make a video on it and share the link with you all by using your email IDs. So a readme is the most essential part of your project and perhaps even more crucial than any other landing page. Use it to tell everyone about your idea, the technologies that make it happen. This is the most straightforward addition with most significant impact. No matter how cool your hack is or how well you know your code, make it concise and detailed for everyone. You might include a picture, you might include a logo, and a project name and a description of a project to sum up the solution in 1 or 2 sentences. Include the implemented libraries or technologies in your project and the link to your deployed project. If you have won any prize for the project, mention them as well in the README. Write inspiration, what it does, how you built it, challenges you ran into, accomplishment you are proud of, what you learned, what next for your project, and also attach a team photo. Pro tip, add a LinkedIn project. Go to your LinkedIn profile, go to the project section and add the GitHub URL, the project name and a short description. After that, do some minimum maintenance. After the hack, you are probably stuck with a messy code base on GitHub. While in most hackathons, the cleanliness of code is not judged, you probably want to do your portfolio a favor. So spend some time looking over the code as a whole and remove unwanted white space and fix all confusing variable names. Provide a few comments for others to understand. And most importantly, have fun. Feel proud of yourself and do not take anything too seriously. You have got this. All the best for your next hackathon. I will hand over to Divyansika.
So up till right here, we all have seen what is hackathon, what happens at the hackathon, what means how ways means various tips Sushree has shared with you all, means how to present your project, how to go with how to pitch, showcase your projects and certain post hackathon tips. So right now the question is where you can find the hackathons. So let me share my screen with you. So okay, so right there we'll go next. Okay, so here are certain sites that where you can find hackathons. First comes the DevPost. In DevPost, you can find 24 hours hackathon to month, means minimum 2 to 3 months long hackathons too. In DevPost, mostly it is all about prizes and stuff. At the end of the hackathon, mostly they will distribute prizes there might be earbuds, there might be speakers, there might be iPads, and anything like that. And there might be also gift cards. So DevPost is good for to find certain international hackathons too. Now next come DevFolio. DevFolio is an Indian website. So you can find various fellowships, various hackathons organized by Indian institutes. There it is really a nice website for Indian students. And next come MLH. In MLH you can find MLH is a small student-run MLH is a you can find various hackathon run by them as well as they sponsor other hackathons also. So in their site, you can find various hackathons, mostly international hackathons only, and you can check the details by moving through the site. And let me tell you one thing, since we have collaborated with Developer Student Club of NIT Rourkela, and we have coming in we have Hack NITR 3.0 coming up. So if you move to MLH, this time Hack NITR will be a member event of MLH, so you can check it out there. Next come Hacker Earth. Hacker Earth, you will find mostly coding contest and hiring hackathons. Means like company will be providing internship opportunities as well as hiring opportunities. So basically, these are like there will be phases here. Like there will be first idea submission, then prototype submission, and then grand finale and things like that. Same goes with dare to compete too. The companies post the hackathon details about the hackathon. Like I see Mintra has also posted a hackathon hacker ramp. So it has been started from 2015. So if you want, you can check it out in Google. I have also found out certain helpful hackathons where I had participated. Eventbrite is a good place to find various hackathons. And let me tell you, Tech Together only organizes gender-focused hackathons. So basically, girls and non-binary people can participate, and rest male, female, and non-binary can take part as mentors and judges too. And if you want, you can participate as a mentor. It is a great place to mentor people. So I guess your question gets answered. Where to find hackathons? Like which one is your choice of hackathon? Like just a 2 to 3 days hackathon or just a 24-hour hackathon? That's it. So do check out Hack and ITR 3.0 at MLH. So next, moving on. So if anyone has any question, we'll answer it. We're open for questions. Anyone?
If you have any questions, think about that and ask us. And if you want to see the swags we have got, I can share some pics with you so that you can see what these hackathons all provide. Devansika, can you?
Yeah, I am stopping my.
Is my screen visible?
Yep, Sushree.
Yeah. So these are some prizes we have got, like Amazon Eco Air, Soundcore by Anchor, and many masks with games. Besides that, many
Let
AutoCAD.
me tell you. Yeah, Sushi, can you go the back one?
Yeah.
The first one. So you saw that Sherlock had demo video. So this game and earbud we won at. You can search for who's done hacks. This was an MLH hackathon only. So yeah, this was we won 3 prizes there. One was second overall, one was most mysterious hack, and one was the hardware hack. So we won also a hardware kit, and the game and the earbuds. And let me tell you, the Echo Dot one we got it from Tech Together Boston. That was our second hackathon, if I'm not mistaken. And we learned many new things. Our first hackathon was Technica, obviously. Uh, there we learned many new things, and we implemented in our second hackathon, and we luckily won that. And we got each team member got one Echo Dot. And also our team also got a $50 gift card. So yeah, if you are interested, start participating. You are not late yet. If you need any guidance, we are there to help you out. Not only us, me, Sushree, our friends also, we are always there to help you. So start participating.
Yeah. And if you are thinking that you cannot code, then at least you can draw a drawing, right? These are the products they give if you draw AutoCAD for them and if you win.
Sushree has got a collection of it.
Of AutoCADs, yeah, 9 AutoCADs.
Anyone has any question, you can also ask us. We are here to answer your queries.
Hello.
Yeah, Shubham.
Yes, that the Sherlock one wala hackathon means what was the duration of that hackathon?
We got total 48 hours.
So within that 48 hours, you make the project and recorded the
Yeah,
video and edit it.
yeah. Everything has to be done.
To make the project, record it, send it, and also you have to fill details about that. Let me share the screen so that you can. Okay, my screen is shared. So these are all the details you fill. Like you have to give some data info, project name, elevator pitch. Then you have to write a project story also. You have to write inspirations and all. That I will make a video and send a link because to make you understand.
Hello,
And
Sushree,
then you
I'm
have
sorry,
to
but you are not audible. Means your audio clarity is very much bad. So it is not. I'm not understanding
I'm
properly.
changing I'm changing my name.
So, Shubham, actually, in those 48 hours, first you have to decide a theme because every hackathon has a different themes. So, we have to brainstorm ideas among us. We were 4 members that time, and while we participated in that Who Done It hacks. So, first we uh, discussed our ideas among ourselves. Then we have to prototype it. You saw that we made that. Um, Prototype that module hardware module.
Yes.
Then we have to do the in if you're talking about mostly MLH hackathons. So what is that they have an initial submission and a final date submission. So if you have to get your project count in the judging list, so you have to submit it in the initial submission because I'm talking about MLH only because in other hackathons there is only one final time, and it may vary too because rules can vary hackathons to hackathons, so we can't say that there's a particular. But you asked about Sherlock Hat's project. So it was means deadline was evening 7 p.m. So your 5 p.m. was the initial submission. So by that time you have to create just a dev post submission. So DevPost was the site where we have to submit our projects for the that who done it hacks. So there you have to write everything like Sushri said how to pitch. So there you have to write inspiration, how you made it, what it does, what things you have used, what challenges you have faced, what you have extra learned in this hackathon, and what do you plan out next for your project. So you have to pitch everything like you have since this was a virtual hackathon, so we had to explain it over there only because we didn't get a chance to demo our hacks to our judges. So we have to explain it only in the videos and through that DevPost submission only. So that
Okay.
was in 48 hours we did this much thing. And I guess your question is answered, or anything
Yes,
else you
yes,
want to know.
yes, Devyanshika, you have answered properly. Thank you. Bro.
Thank you. Anyone else who wants to know anything else? You can ask anything about hackathons.
So, you are from mathematics branch, no? Devyanshika?
Yeah, I'm from a mathematics branch. I'm pursuing integrated MSc at United Raulkela.
And Sushree, what about her?
Sushree is pursuing computer science.
Computer science. Okay, that's why it's a great combination for both of you to participate.
Since you have asked us about both of us, so let me tell you in hackathon, since no one has asked about this question, but this is a question to be answered. In hackathons, if you're participating in team, I will say the coordination matters the most. You have to coordinate. You should have proper communication among your teammates. And no doubt going to partner with the see. There's also a feature uh, in hackathons that if you don't have a group, you can form a group at means there's a team building thing. If that means I have participated in various hackathons. I have seen people participating with totally different means someone might be from India, someone might be from some other country too.
Mhm.
So the thing matters the most is communication. Make new
Mhm.
friends, make new teammates, but be sure you have to properly communicate your ideas. Share your problem. If you're stuck at something and something is not working according to your team's plan or according to your plan, communicate with your friends. Even there are mentors at hackathons to help you out. So if you're stuck at something or if your friend is stuck at something, get connected with a mentor. There are also mentors, there are also volunteers. Hackathon organizers always have mentors and volunteers. So get help. It's nothing bad. So uh, one thing is that team there's a combination. We both were actually roommates in our first year.
Mhm.
There was a from first we had certain communication among us, so that was a plus point for us. But if I have participated sorry I haven't participated at hackathons with other people, but I do plan in future to participate. So as I say, communication is the main feature, so you have to communicate properly your problems, your ideas, everything. So don't get hesitated that this might sound dumb or something. No, nothing is dumb. You let it be anything. If it makes a hack more better, there are chances that you might win prizes, because and hackathons a simple idea can also win. It's the matter of pitching and execution. That's it. And anyone else who has questions or anyone will want to know anything else,
Hello,
please.
ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, myself Pallavi.
Don't call me ma'am. You can call me Divyanshika. There's no issue.
Ma'am, I did not participate in any hackathon till now. Can you
Yeah.
please suggest me beginner friendly?
Beginner friendly hackathon. You have got Tech Together coming up this weekend only. Tech Together Boston. It is also a MLH member event. You can check out in MLH or you can directly go to Tech Together website. For girls, mostly you can find beginners tech together is really nice, and Sushi will also be giving a workshop on pitching your ideas more elaborately. So, girls, if you are participating in Tech Together Boston, do check out Sushri's workshop. And also, we at NITR DSC is also hosting NIT Hack NITR 3.0 that will also be beginner friendly. So do check out those. You'll find many hackathons beginner friendly. There are always mentors to help out. There are always volunteers to help out. Even I have seen at MLH hackathons, the organizers themselves, they come and help you. You have hacky hangouts sessions where you can talk to different hackers. Hacker doesn't mean the cyber security definition. I would say a hacker is a person who develops the solution into code. So remember this: the hacker is not someone who breaks into your computer security. No. That's not in context of hackathon. So remember, the person who develops the solution into code is a hacker. And what is hack? Hack is basically the innovative idea that you you're working which is related to a real world problem. So, beginner friendly, I think this will be great for your health. Also, if you're a girl, means Pallavi, you can also participate in Technica. They host really nice beginner friendly workshops where you can learn more about technologies, more about tech stacks, everything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You can call me Divyanshika to address me as well. Any more questions? Sorry, friends, Sushri is having certain technical issues, so she is not right here, but she will join soon.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Sushri.
Yeah. This power cut will kill my life.
Yeah, your voice is not good.
Okay. Because I'm using the mobile data. Divyanshika, you carry forward all the doubts because I don't think my voice will be audible.
No, it is clear right now. It
Right
is
now it's
bit.
clear. Thank you.
Yeah, it is clear.
Yeah, if anyone has any doubts, you can ask us and we will re-record the videos and send it to you because today we had a lot of technical issues.
Can we do like you can explain without sharing the screen, and afterwards you can post it on the YouTube and send the link. So at present we can means you can explain us by your words, but not by sharing the screen. Because when you're sharing the screen, your internet bandwidth is occupied. So your
I think someone is removing people because I'm getting many DMs that someone is removing them.
hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, I got removed from the meeting.
Yeah, I know many people are telling me the same thing that they are being removed, but I am not getting the option where to leave. Yeah, you are telling something. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. I was suggesting that you can explain your points by voice, and later you can share the video on the YouTube. By
Yeah.
this we
Yes,
can
I will do.
yes. Okay.
Yeah. So someone is asking me like how to form a team. There are two types of teams. Like you are not familiar with anyone. So what you can do that you will go to the hackathon server and then you will list out your skills and ask others to join you. Like know their skills and if you find them a perfect match, then collaborate with them for the hackathon project, or else if you can create a team and learn skills according to your team. Like if I am a good web developer, then I would expect that someone would be there who can make a good video, or or someone would be there who can make hardware projects or like that. So if you are friends and doing a project together, then you can learn skills according to each other's skills. Or if you are going with no teammates, then you can find out teammates in the hackathon server by Discord server or Slack, by connecting with them and writing what are your technical aspects and what are them, you can connect with them. And another guy has asked me if what tech skills you need. So Devansika had explained all about the tech skills, what you need to be at a hackathon. Like if you are also a good video developer, then also you can be at hackathon and win prizes. So there is no technical skill limit over hackathons. And if you are not familiar with all the technical skills, they have beginner friendly workshops. 1 hour for GitHub and 1 hour for all. They explain everything in the 48 hours. You can attend, take your first hackathon as the learning hackathon and attend all the workshops. There you will learn a lot, and do not expect prizes from your first hackathon. After you get experience that what they need, what skill set they want, then from the next hackathon you can learn that skill before the hackathon and use it in the hackathon. The most important thing you have to remember is that do not expect a prize in a hackathon. Do your best, give your best, and have your imagination at the level base. After that, if you are getting a prize, then well and good, enjoy. And if you are not getting a prize, then try developing your skills. Whatever skills you are having, try to develop it. And do not get discouraged and stop taking part in it. Because not everyone, I have not seen anyone that who wins their first hackathon, because all start with hackathons with no prior knowledge. So first attend 1, 2, 3 hackathons, then gain some skills. After that, target for prizes. Yeah, anyone has any other doubt?
Sushree, how many hackathons have you attended till now? Means Win
Now
plus use
attended at least 21 hackathons.
21.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
actually started participating during this pandemic itself. So
Yeah.
most of the hackathons that we participated are virtual. One hackathon that we had qualified that would have been in person, but because of the second wave, it got cancelled, and we haven't heard anything further about that. So
Okay.
that was a government, Indian government hackathon.
Hmm. Okay. So are we
Hello,
open with the
Divyanshika.
second session?
Uh,
Hello.
uh, Two
I'm
people are
audible.
speaking. Yeah, you're audible.
Ma'am, actually, I have doubt how I get that workshop or where I get.
See, when you are registering for a hackathon, there's either a Discord server or a Slack channel. So all the updates about hacker workshops, about the deadlines, everything, you will get there only in the announcement section. So nothing to worry about that. You can also get a list beforehand in their website or a schedule right before the hackathon. So you can check out what are the workshops the hackathon is organizing, and which one is of your interest. You can check them out beforehand only.
Hello,
So when
Divyanshika.
yeah.
Yes, I am third semester student in NIT Artala, and
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a doubt that is team necessary for a hackathon?
Not at see. If you are taking part in hackathons, there are also solo. You can participate solo too. You can build your own projects at your own pace and submit it individual too. There is no problem with that. But I would suggest a teamwork will be better, because if you are working as a team, what things you are gonna learn is first of all your team management. Second thing, as a team, how organized you are, and how far everyone is respecting each other's idea. You get to learn that too. So you can participate alone too. Many people have means are participating alone, and also they are learning so many things. But I would suggest participating in team is better.
And this hackathon, the benefit. What is the benefit of hackathon?
Benefit of hackathon is within a you first of all, hackathons are of certain time period only. So you are you're not under pressure, I can say, but you in your target will be, I have to finish my project in certain time period only. So you get time management, you learn time management. And at hackathon, since many sponsors offer also internship opportunities and also job opportunities, so you also get those things to know. And after the hackathons also, I have been in different servers right now, in Discord servers, where people post about means if you're writing a blog, you can share among the community that yes, I am doing such things, do check it out, do let me know your reviews. Because feedback matters at the end. And next thing, networking also is means at hackathons you can see networking is a very good thing, because you meet a lot of like-minded people. And and what, I guess these all things are beneficial. And also you get a lot of swags too, free swags, like participating in hackathons, I have got masks, t-shirts. Even at a hackathon, I just submitted a project and I got whole lot of box, starting from bottle, hoodie, t-shirt, stickers, fidget spinner, everything as a part of participation swags. So you get a lot of swags too. Who know
Yeah, there are
which
monetary prizes also in
if
lakhs.
And also, one thing, if you do not win at a hackathon, there is nothing to be disheartened, because there are also fun activities where you can win. And there are also surveys going after the hackathon, where that is kind of a lottery kind of system. So if you fill it out and your name comes out, you get a gift card of some dollars. So that is also beneficiary. So that's what, in my opinion, these are my and my team's opinion, like why we, our vision as a hacker. So it might vary among people. So anyone else, anything, or shall we end this
Hello.
session? Yep, Subham.
What process after participating hackathon?
So what, I couldn't get your question.
Um, what process after joining a hackathon?
Yeah, means after you register for a hackathon.
Yes.
After you register for a hackathon, you will get to join the Discord or Slack channel. Then you can network with them, get connected to people, build your network there. And if you do not have a team to participate in hackathon, you can build your team. They have their team building channels. And then after the opening ceremony, you can start hacking with your team or individual. Everything organizers will notify you.
I guess you want to know what after creating a team and joining the hackathon. So the first thing you
Sushree,
have to, yeah.
yeah, ma'am, in the perspective of technical field, what are the basic skills you have to in add on your that on your side?
The basic skills are you have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript at least if
At
you want to
least,
go for the technical side. Yeah.
yeah, and
Besides that, you can do also app development and lot many things. If you are going for technical side, besides technical, there are many other sides.
okay,
You can go for hardware projects also, and you can go for many other technical sides. This was my part of the team job. I was in the web development part, and
okay,
our another teammate was in hardware development part. So that's how we have contributed in all the projects. Like if there is any hardware project, we give the hardware side to the other teammate, and rest other non-technical sides we take over. If there is a software side, then we take the software project, and to the hardware member we give the all non-technical part. So that's how we manage to complete the project within the time limit.
okay. Other than technical, there other without technicals competitions are there in hackathon.
Yeah, without technical skills also you can take part in hackathon. Like there are solo competitions also in hackathons. Like you have to make a painting, or you have to give quizzes. They also host many quizzes, and then they gift Amazon coupons and few dollars, $50 or $100 like that. And there are many other things that you can participate. That depends on which hackathon you are participating. Every hackathon has different kind of solo events they host. But if you want to join a team for the hackathon, then you have to be good at video developing skill, or UI UX, or like that, or pitching a project. Means the presentation and video making part you will take over, and the rest of the technical part other teammates will take over. You can do that also. First
Okay.
of all, you have to form a team, and according to the other teammates' need, you have to mold yourself inside the team.
Yeah, it's all about the teamwork.
Yeah, it's
When
what are you doing? It depends on the team you are participating with.
chosen. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Rashu, the non-technical side that you're referring, if you're participating means to you're interested to build the projects. I guess I have covered some points like the other than coder thing. I have discussed four things like designers, brainstormers, or researchers. I've discussed. We will share you our resources and you can check it out again.
How
Okay, ma'am.
can we reach out after the event? Means, is there any community or something like that?
Yeah, there is a Discord community you can join. Um, we shall share every links and also the playlist that we'll make on hackathons to your emails, because we have all your emails with us. Do not worry, we will send all the things.
Okay, okay. And one more thing. Is this event hosted by NIT? Means, or you were volunteering yourself for it? Means, how it is?
We are the technical members of NIT Laurkula, students,
Okay.
leading members of. Yeah.
So now
Okay.
since
Okay. It's when you
yes,
both of them are NITian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
actually, Shubham, what you were saying. So this is since September is going on, and we have next month October upcoming. So DSC along with all the coding clubs of NITR, we have prepared this series, Preptember series, where we are having various workshops. Right, means like one last week we had upon PyTorch. This week we are having about hackathon, and some next workshops are planned. So if you want to also know the details, we can provide you the details.
Okay, okay. No, I thought you are self-volunteering and means from the NIT Rourkela and you are organizing the event. That's how I thought. And actually, I'm a pass-out student. Means I have completed my graduation.
Oh,
And,
no, we are right now students of NIT. We are continuing our study there.
Yeah.
yeah. I got it. So it was a nice meeting to you. Can I leave now?
Okay, so folks, we can end this right here. Or do you want anything else to discuss?
If anyone any doubts, then you can ask.
No doubt, ma'am. You both of them explain very good.
Thank you. You will receive a mail after this. In the mail, you will get all the links. And if you have any doubts regarding hackathons or regarding anything else of the community, then you can reply back to the mail.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is any workshop on open source project?
So you want to discuss about open source?
Yes.
We have a session planned on open source. If you are interested, then you can join that session also. That will be the next week or after the week.
Okay, ma'am.
Because that's the last topic to cover. It cannot be covered in a short duration.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Shall we end this?
Yeah.
So, Sushree, we can wrap up then.
Yeah. I guess no one has any doubts. So we are wrapping up the session. And if anyone has any doubts, then reply back to the mail that we will send you after the session. So that we can make a video and add the video to the playlist and send it to you.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Yeah, thank you everyone.
I hope you got something means new from our experience and everything else. Apur, do you want to say something? Purav, do you want to say something? Your mic is on. The session is finished. So if you want, you can leave now. So she can stop the recording first.
Yeah.